Our birthday list begins with a sharp-dressed man by the name of Lincoln Winter, who's celebrating his first birthday. Lincoln, a very happy birthday to you. He's in St. Paul.
All right, and we've got Randa Joe Smith. What a cutie there. Turning 6 years old this year in Oswego.
Rocking those shades right there. Matthew Rush Jr. celebrating number 9, ready to get out on the ball field. I'll get rid of this rain for you, Matthew. We'll get a little action in this weekend. This birthday wish comes with love from Dad, Mom, and Leah.
All right. Happy birthday, Maddie. All right, and Brayden Reynolds is turning 17 years old this year in Sarcoxie. Hope you have a great one.
Samantha Guy, she is in Walnut, and Samantha works at Norris Outdoor Advertising in Girard. So everybody out at Norris, or if you run by Norris today, make sure you wish Samantha a very happy 24th.
All right. Austin Pitts celebrating birthday number 30 this year. Looks like he's got a lot to celebrate there. Pictured with his 3 children. One of them, you might remember Aniston, who had a birthday yesterday. That's pretty cool. They're all in Chanute.
Between graduations, excuse me, and birthdays, I bet you it's been a busy month for the Pitts family there. Roberta Koger is celebrating her 88th birthday, and Roberta, she has 7 children of her own, 18 grandchildren, and 23 great-grandchildren. Roberta, I bet you are going to have one heck of a party, and a very happy birthday to you in Parsons.
Awesome. In Thayer, Kansas, Nancy Holtzman. What a wonderful picture there of Nancy and her family there. Celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Nancy.
Josh and Jamie Horton are celebrating 2 decades of marriage. Congratulations to the Hortons. Josh happens to be one of our 4-state heroes as well. And Josh and Jamie, congratulations in Carthage.
All right, I love that picture. Eugene and Lori Meyer celebrating 25 years together. Wonderful throwback wedding picture there in Sarcoxie. Happy anniversary.
Jerry and Kathy Alsdorf, their 31st anniversary. Congratulations, Jerry and Kathy are in Carthage.
All right. And Junior and RMA Whitley celebrating 40 years together. Lovely picture of the couple there in Altamont. Happy anniversary.
We've got 64 years, my goodness. Jim and Wilma Lawson. Congratulations, Jim and Wilma. And please know, these anniversary wishes come with love from all of the kids.
All right, and Romy and Joanne Phillips are celebrating 69 years together. All right, they're in Moundville, Missouri. Congratulations to the Phillips.
Oh, we got a who that is. This woman right here is it lights up our lives, always puts a smile on her face, and always has a hug for us as well. Her name is Nancy Evans, and Miss Nancy has worked with us for as long as I can remember.
Tried to leave us, but we said, nope, you have to keep coming back.
Yeah, she tried. We were like, no, Nance, we can't do this without you. Come back, please. Nancy, a very happy birthday. I hope you know how much we love you, and I can't wait to see you soon. And I want one of those classic Nancy Evans hugs, please.
Aw. All right, happy birthday, Nancy. I hope you have a wonderful day. And Eileen Bagando is celebrating a birthday in Weir, Kansas. Colton Bunce turned 17 in Baxter Springs. And Benekes are celebrating an anniversary in Parsons. Happy 63rd to William and Shirley, with congratulations coming from Chris, Karen, David, Ethan, Aiden, and Landon.
A happy birthday and happy anniversary.